Have you ever opened the camera on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and seen a suggestion to install something called Camera Assistant? You might be wondering, what exactly is this app and what does it actually do? Camera Assistant is a small app from Samsung that adds extra camera behavior settings that are not available in the regular camera setting. If you like taking photos or recording videos and want more control over how the camera works, this app is definitely worth checking out. Let me show you what it looks like. First, make sure you have Camera Assistant installed. The app is available in both the Samsung Store and the Play Store, so you can install it from either one. Once it's installed, simply open the Camera Assistant app. Inside the app, you will see several sections with additional camera control, such as lens and zoom, focus, shutter, photos, videos, preset, and camera preview. For example, in the lens and zoom section, you can manage options like auto lens switching, which control whether the camera automatically change lenses when zooming. In the focus section, there is an option called prioritize focus over speed, which allows the camera to focus more carefully before taking a photo. Under the shutter section, you will find useful options like quick tap shutter, which makes the camera capture photos faster, and video recording in photo mode, which lets you start recording video even while you are in photo mode. If you scroll further, you will also see options like auto HDR for photos, HDR10 plus video for better video quality, and even a camera timeout that controls how long the camera stays open before it automatically closes. All of those options work as additional control that help you customize how your camera behaves on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In the next tutorial, we will explore some of the settings one by one so you can learn how to use them and get the most out of your camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.